My name's Frank Kuntz, and I'm the mayor of Wenatchee, Washington, the apple capital of the world.
Wenatchee is known for its apples.
And the Guinness World Record for the largest apple pie ever made.
Pumpkins are the deal here in Carroll.
When it comes to making a good pumpkin pie, you certainly want to pick the proper pumpkin.
I'm vice president of the Pumpkin Festival this year, and I'm in charge of fireworks and food court.
For the first time ever, we're going to be having two blizzards of the month at the same time, the apple pie blizzard and the pumpkin pie blizzard, and America's going to have to choose, I guess, which one's better.
I am confident that America will choose the apple pie blizzard, and if for some reason that America does not, I am willing to purchase everybody in Carroll, Michigan, a pumpkin pie blizzard.
Yes, we'll accept the challenge.
That sounds interesting.
The gambling's illegal, you know, in Michigan.
Who wouldn't choose apple?
It's a no-brainer. Pumpkins will win.
You can't get enough apples, especially in a blizzard.
I think Wenatchee is wrong.
Baseball, hot dogs, apple pie.
Come on now, there's nothing more American than pumpkin pie and Thanksgiving. Hello.
Around here, apples are normally fed to the horses.
I don't even like apple pie.
Down with pumpkins.
Vote Pumpkin Pie Blizzard, America.
Vote for apple pie.
I don't like pumpkins. Apples.
Pumpkins! Apples!
Bring it on.